Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make another yummy recipe which is chole masala. It's not in the authentic way of making the chole, I'm sure you would love this. So let me quickly get into the ingredients what are needed for this yummy recipe. Yeah. Alright, so here are some of the ingredients that I'll go one by one. So I have taken almost one teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay, then I have taken a small bunch of tamarind. This we will use it at the end. Thus I have taken one small piece of cinnamon stick. I broke it into three small pieces. I have taken some cloves. You can see that around 5 to 6 cloves, and I have taken almost a handful of jeera, which is almost coming to 2 teaspoons of jeera that I have taken. Now, and then I have also taken some coriander leaves. This I would be adding some more. I'm still in the process of cutting, so I've just kept a little as I cut it. So you can add some more. So I have taken one whole bunch. I will be adding just one handful that I will be adding to this dish. And then I have taken two medium-sized tomatoes. I've cut it into this way. Then I have, as you can see, this is 3 to 4 cups of chickpeas. I've soaked it for almost 3 to 4 hours almost. This is not even complete 4 hours, but I see that it's already nice and nicely soaked, and it has come up. I have almost you can I could still hear some of the cracking on the cracking from this chickpeas. So this is also called the Bengal gram. So I'm just going to use this now because I feel like it is almost done. Just one or two popping that I hear in this, so I'm good. Almost 4 hours, it should be fine. Then I have here some small piece of ginger around this shape. This big, I have taken a very small ginger. I have cut it finely. Same way I have cut one garlic, whole garlic. It's around 8 to 9 pieces of garlic that I have chopped it finely. Then this is two small onions that I have cut it into cubes. And then I have all the masalas here. Like you can see, it is quarter teaspoon of turmeric, a half spoon of pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of chili powder, and around 4 spoons of coriander powder, 2 spoons of oh, I'm sorry if I'm saying spoon, but it is the teaspoon. All right, so it is teaspoon of dry ginger powder, and a half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and this is around 2 teaspoon of mutton masala. This is optional, but this adds a good flavor. If you have chole masala powder, you can go ahead and add that. So I'm not adding the chole masala in this. This is the kind of masala that I use in this. So if you're always used to using that masala and you still want to add it, go ahead and add it. But I have not tried it yet, so this is what I use for the masalas. And then I have some coconut powder that I will be adding after everything is done, just for to make it so creamy. And that's all the ingredients that we need, plus a little bit of oil. So I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of oil. um, right, so let's get into the cooking. So I have heated the cooker directly. I'm cooking in this cooker, pressure cooker. So I have taken almost 1.5 teaspoon of oil. It looks like it is too much, but it is only less. And then it is already hot right now. So I am going to add the mustard seeds. Alright, so the mustards have all popped. Now I'm going to add the cinnamon and the cloves together. I will not wait until it will pop. I'll just do this, and then I have added the onion So I would give you a tip here, because most of the time it happens with me. I always add the cinnamon stick and clove in my food, and if I wait immediately after I add that, I add the next ingredient that I have to really add, so that it doesn't burst, or it doesn't burst and fall on you, right? So it happens with me always. So I kind of jump out, and I think you must have seen in this video as well, almost like you can hear that cracking or the popping noise all of a sudden. It did not kind of it kind of scares you, doesn't, nothing happens, by the way. So I have added the cut onions. Now I have kept it in almost a medium flame. Okay, so I will let this a little brown. I'm not going to let it brown for a long time. Alright, so now I did not mention about these chilies, so I kind of add this one or two of this. So now I'm adding around three. I just cut it into two, and then I'm going to let it fry for a few seconds, I would say, since it is almost in the high flame. Okay, so I'm almost done with this. So I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger. Okay, now it will smell like heaven as I keep frying this. You know, the smell of ginger and garlic together, it smells so good. It really smells so good. And I will let it saute for, and keep sauteing it for almost like another 30 to 40 seconds. Ideally this should not take a long time. What I often do is, while I'm I keep the pan on flame, I go ahead and cut the onions. I cut the next ingredient, and that's so forth. So in that time it would be on a low flame, and quickly I kind of can cut it a little faster. So I kind of quickly try to do that. So I will not be able to show it in that way. So otherwise this would hardly take some time to cook. So now it is smelling so really nice. I'm going to add the next ingredient. So I'm going to add the jeera that we have taken now, the cumin seeds. Okay, now the taste is getting different. It adds a different flavor altogether. So as I saw, you can see that the colors, the onions have changed a little brown. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes to this. Look at the color of the tomatoes. I've taken nice. So I've added a little salt to this so that it gets kind of soft faster. So like you can see, I've cut it in this way so it will get soft faster the finer it becomes. And I like in this shape. I like the way I cut it. I kind of feel like eating things, right? So it's the way you cut it as well. It makes a lot of difference. So you can see that it's almost done. So maybe we'll give it another minute. So I'm going to add the coriander leaves in this. Look at the color. You can see that the aroma is like it's so nice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the little tamarind that I've taken. I'm going to add this really little. It actually adds a little pungent taste to this. So I'm just adding as it is. Alright, so it's almost done, and we are ready to add all the powders that we have taken. So now I'm going to add all the powders that we have taken. So I'm just going to add as it is. Like you can see this. Look at that. Okay. So even if the oil, even if there is not much of oil in this, I'm still good, because I don't prefer to add more of oil. So I'll just let this fry for a minute or two. So, if you think that any of the masala or the flavor that you like a little more than the other masalas, go ahead and add it. The masala that I'm talking about is like if in case you like a little more of mutton masala in this, maybe you can add half a teaspoon, a little, half a teaspoon more than what I've shown, just in case you want that little more flavor. But I would say how much we showed, that is more than enough, because anything goes a little here and there, the taste will change all of, altogether. So now you can see that this chickpeas, it is almost more than 4 hours now. So I'm going to use that as it is. So I've added the chickpeas or the Bengal grams in this, and here you can see I've added all of them. I've just stirred it so well. Okay, and you can see that I've added water too. So I've added almost a little more than that I need, because I'm going to make it a little creamy at the end, right? For a roti or for rice, you still need a little gravy on that. So I'm leaving, see, as you can see, it is just a little above the chickpeas that I've added, the water level that you can see. So I've stirred it so well. Now I'm going to add one full tablespoon of salt to this, and then we are good. We are going to close this and cook it for almost. So I'm going to add one tablespoon of rock salt almost. So I prefer to use a rock salt in my cooking than using the free flowing the salt that we normally buy, right? So I read it in somewhere that this is a preferred one, which is less of added stuff. So I prefer in my cooking, if I have to cook it in something like this, then I go ahead and add the crystal salt. So I've covered it, and then I've kept the whistle too. So um, I'm going to give or almost around 5 whistles to this, and I will open it after the pressure is all gone. Then I will open it and see everything is fine. If it is not boiled, then I will see whether it is just does it need another whistle or not. So always I give 5 whistles. So that is the reason I'm going to give 5 whistles. So it is based on your cooker that you would be using. So I'm on a high flame. I'm going to give 5 whistles to this, and we are ready to use this as it is. But I will be adding a little coconut milk at the end to give a little different taste to that. All right, so we have the chole ready, chole masala. Actually, it is really yummy, and like you can see, I have not added anything else. Even the coconut milk, I've just added those coconut powder. I've mixed it well, and look at this. So if you need, you think that you need a little more thick, you can just go ahead and add a little more. So here is a yummy recipe from my kitchen once again. You can have it with a little, some funky stuff like I would say with the bun and chole masala. It would be a different taste altogether. Go ahead and give it a try. Thank you. So hope you like this video. Do feel free to share your comments, like it and share it if you like it. And I will come up with another recipe, yummy recipe next time. See you. Bye.